Good morning, children. Hope you are all fine. So, hope you are all enjoying my topic. So, just before going to today's topic, just do the recapitulation of yesterday's topic. So, I think it is not boring for you. History always, whenever we start a history, many of you, many of the people, not only you, many of the people will feel history as a boring subject, but don't feel as a boring subject because just enjoy it like a story. So, many movies we are seeing right now, like Bahubali and all. So how the king has struggled, right? Okay, against the enemy rule. In the same way here also, just imagine this as a movie, okay, as a story, and so that you can understand everything in a sequential manner. Don't get confused anywhere. I hope that I am very clear in the before video. So whatever I have told you, just go through that in a particular sequence. Try to note down all the points. You can do all the worksheets, whatever I am sending for you, and so that you will not feel bored and you will be understanding what is there, what has happened at which event has happened, and in a sequential manner you can write down your notes. So before going today's today's topic, let us discuss about whatever we have discussed yesterday. So what we have discussed yesterday, we have discussed regarding how the France people, so regarding outbreak of the war, so why the people have went for a war, revolution, why they have showed their dissatisfaction, because they were unable to pay the taxes which were being raised by the king, and they wanted to raise their voice now. For example, if something injustice is going on, if you be quiet, what will happen? Nobody will give you justice. You have to open your mouth. Unless and until you open your mouth, you won't get justice. In the same way here also, the people of the France, they got, especially the third estate people, we can say, they got help from many philosophers. Already we have discussed regarding Montesquieu, Rousseau. So these all people have helped the people a lot, and later on we have discussed regarding yesterday, regarding Mirabeau and Abysses, who belongs to first and second estate. So even though they belongs to first and second estate people also, as they were very well educated, so they wanted to help the people. So because of that, at last they wanted to keep an end for the monarchical rule. So at last ultimately they have done it, and at last what has happened? So the constitution has been framed in the France. Yesterday we have discussed regarding. So the same thing, first of all, let us go to that particular point, which is nothing but National Assembly completed draft of constitution. So National Assembly, already we have discussed, it is a political body which is in France. Okay, so it has completed drafting of the constitution in the year 1791. So because of this constitution, limited the power of monarchy. So the power before, what are the powers are there for the monarchical rule? So it has been limited now. So the king has to follow the rules and regulations, or else it has to obey the rules of the National Assembly or else of the Constitution. So already we have discussed regarding in the book of Montesquieu. So he told that the powers has to be distributed among three different bodies such as judiciary, executive and legislature. So here judiciary, already we know it is a body which is giving justice to the people. Executive, here the king is a main person who is executing the laws, who is responsible for implementing the laws. And legislature, already we know it is also a making body. So legislature is a body which makes the laws, executive is a body which implements the laws, and judiciary is the body which gives justice to the people. So legislature, making of the laws, still it is remaining in the hands of the king, but some limited powers are been given, and again the power remains with the National Assembly, which is a government, or which is a body which has been framed in the France, we can say, and executive, so which is the body which implements the laws. So for implementing also we can say that king is responsible here. At last the justice is been given by the judiciary. So like that here, based on this particular system also, the people were being divided into two type of categories. They were called as active citizens and passive citizens. So what do you mean by active citizens? Yesterday already we have discussed in the topic, everybody have not got the right to vote. Already we know, for example, if you see right now in our country India, the people who are 18 and above 18 are eligible. But if you see in the France, what has happened during that time? So only the people who are above 25 years, that too, who are ready to pay their 3 days wages as tax. Already I told you yesterday. Just go to the topic if you have any doubts. Yesterday topic once again. But I think I am very clear in yesterday topic. So the people, the men especially, not to men. Women were not at all given any importance, because already I told you the discrimination is being there, gender-based discrimination, where women were being restricted to homes, we can say. So because of that, so what has happened means, so the men who are 25 years of the age, so that particular people who are ready to pay that 3 days, whatever the wages are there in the form of tax, they are only eligible to or entitled to right, we can say. And next is the passive citizens. So they are passive, means they are just like that. They are not eligible to give their right like remaining men and women. So because of that, everybody not got the right to vote, we can say. So that is also there is no equality, we can say. So when we can call everybody are equal in front of law, when this type of discriminations will be removed, then only we can say there is no discrimination. But here, so many discriminations we can see here. The men who are only 25 years above and who are just ready to give their 3 days payment as to the king to the tax, they are only eligible for right to vote. So next is already we have discussed yesterday regarding the declaration of rights were also been made. Right to speech, right to life. Yesterday I have explained for you in a detailed manner. So the same thing was been in this particular declaration of rights. These natural rights everybody are eligible to enjoy. So it cannot be denied by anybody. The state has to protect. Nobody can make them to stop the rights. Means everybody have the right to enjoy the rights, which are called as natural rights. By birth they are going to get the rights. Okay, so till here we have discussed the topic. So I think till here you have understood so about what are the things are happening in the France by 1791.